Hi everyone, this is Bob from Hairpin Machinery. Today I would like to showcase our CNC tube straightening and cut-off machine. On this machine, we equipped with 3 servos, as per requested by our customer. On machine, we equipped with the 4 tube sizes, 1/4, 3/8, 1/2, and 5/8. The hand for this machine, the main function is different tube sizes can be cut off at different lengths in one cycle. This machine, we are under testing before delivery to KSA. Next, let me show you how this machine running.